Hello, Rob here with an overview of Grand Theft Auto Online's content creator that came out alongside a patch last month. If you haven't been impressed with GTA lately, you should be happy to hear that the content creator definitely brings more to the table by letting anyone create and easily share their own original jobs. Currently still in beta, you only get to create 2 basic job types, but it's safe to say that Rockstar will have more down the road. For now, strap in baby, let's check it out. Load up Creator and choose whether you want to make a deathmatch or race job. I'll be going over the Deathmatch Creator, but both types start off the same in detail options, where you'll have to create a catchy title and enticing description. Keep in mind, for the photo option, you'll want to come back and retake that photo once your creation is completed to better show off what your job is about. Moving on, choose job details like how many players, time limit, score limit, and whether you want players to start off with their own weapons or restrict them to your menu you got cooking. All this is fairly basic, but where your creativity really lies is in the placement options. Start with a catchy trigger location and sweet lobby photo, and move on to player spawn points. Picking team spawn points is fairly easy, but it gets a little tricky when you have to pick an additional 2 spawn points for each player when they die, meaning a 16-player match requires 32 spawn points, which is a little time-consuming if you're trying to give everyone a fighting chance upon spawning. But hey, who feels people in GTA Online play fair? Oh, that's right, no one. So make things interesting. Throw in a Juggernaut-type spawn with armor, minigun, and plenty of cover, or make someone a little less fortunate by placing him out in the open surrounded by gas tanks. Or how about a spawn on top of a skyscraper with a bike directed towards a ramp with arrows for an entrance that screams badass? Top the rest of your map off with up to 50 weapons, 25 vehicles, and 50 prop elements to make it your own. Once you're done, test it out with some AI morons, and if it feels good enough, publish that baby to Rockstar's social club, head over to your trigger spot, host, and invite for all to enjoy.
Oh, heck nah.
Great. Well, good thing you can always modify and update your jobs whenever you want. The race creator is simpler, where waypoints and obstacles are your main tools for creativity. Truly though, the great part about GTA Creator is how it further pushes the online community. Just head to Social Club Online and check out countless creations. See something you like, bookmark it, load up GTA Online, and it's right there on your map. They're not always perfect, but find the right one and you can make some solid cash. Get enough people to like your job and you can get Rockstar verified for some major promotion. All in all, GTA Creator does a great job at better tying the community into online play. And the best part is knowing there's a lot more to come. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune into GameSpot for all of your gaming news.